Good morning, good morning. Look at this lovely green patch. Walking towards the beach early in the morning, having a wonderful time. This is my second day out, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity once again. So I'm back again here, going towards the beach, walking on this greenery. See, lovely greenery, very soft and moist, with the crows crowing away to glory. And people are just getting up because breakfast is not before 7:30 here. So I can walk undisturbed with the lovely sea ahead of me, the beach ahead of me. I'm going towards the beach now. We have a lovely statue of Jesus Christ also. Beautiful. What a day to begin with blessings. So here a little on the sand, and this beautiful Dominic D'Souza and Cecilia D'Souza. Look at this church, lovely statue, beautiful. So I'm going towards the beach now. I'll catch up when I'm on